Hello everyone, welcome to Being a Best Teacher YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to do subject pedagogy of English. The topic is going to be importance of English language, one of the important topic from this particular subject. If you want to take the notes of pedagogy of English or any other subject, you may contact us on the given number. And if you want to take the classes for any of the subject, you may contact on us on the same number as well, right? So let's see what are the importance of English language. So here in total I have seven importance that has been shown here. So you have to write only six importance from exam point of view. Okay, you can select any of the six importance from here. Starting from first one, English is the language of international communication. We all know that international meetings, international works, everything is a particular language chosen for all these activities is English, right? Why? Because it is in today's world is the international communication language. If you will see any of the meetings that used to happen in UNESCO, in UNICEF, or any other the committees we have on the international level. So all these meetings held up in the language, which language? In English language, right? Okay. Now second one, English is the language of business, right? See, like if you want to do a business setup in any of the other country, right? For example, in Germany, the native language of that place is German, and in France, the native language is French. You don't know their native language, so for setting up the business and for running the business, what you are going to do? You are going to communicate with people in which language you are going to communicate with them in English language, because it is an international language and everywhere in the world everyone is familiar with this language. Some people are familiar in a good level, they know the good level of English, and some people are not very much aware with the language, but yes, they have some of the idea about this particular language. Okay, coming to the third point, learning English gives you access to more of the internet. You can see mostly the information that is available on the internet is in English medium, right? In the language English. So, if you know about English, you know this particular language properly, then you can have access to more and more information on the internet. Next is for educational importance. Why it is written educational importance? See, English is a growing language, it is international language, and in education it has a very great importance. In our country only you can see we teach our students with the help of Hindi or English. There are setup of Hindi medium school as well as English medium school. Some of the other languages are also there, state wise, region wise, but on the majority basis, if you will see in metropolitan cities, the two languages schools in or two educational two languages in the educational setup basically are English medium and Hindi medium, right? So you can study either of the medium, whichever suits you. So it has great educational importance, right? English is not the ancient language of India. It is an adopted language, like after the Britishers we are using it, and at the time of Britishers it is introduced in India. So that is why educational importance is great in on today's basis, if you on in today's world, if you are going to see. And similarly it is with every country, not with only our country but with every country, that it has a great educational importance in today's world. Fifth is cultural importance. See, it is a growing language and it also has a specific culture. So that is why also English language has importance on the cultural basis. Sixth is English as administrative level. Why it is written on administrative level? You can see various works of the courts, right? Of the educational settings, or like you can see the spacecraft astronomy work. NASA is also using this language, which English language. So basically you can see administrative work that used to take place in different parts of our country and other countries as well. The adopted language is basically English. If you have seen any of the circular on the available on the like any of the website of government, so basically they are also in the English language only. Okay, so somewhere we can say, not somewhere, but basically we can say English has great importance in today's world, right? So these are the six, and coming to the last one, seventh, English is our social life. You can see that we used to communicate with this language a lot, right? And we used to exchange our thought, emotions, everything with this particular language. So it is the language which makes us a social being as well, right? So these are the seven importance of English language. Whatever I have explained you, I am showing it here to you as well. So you can write this in your own language as well. No need to just copy paste from here. You can also put your own thoughts into it, and you can add your own examples to it and write in that particular way. Okay, so I always used to suggest students that no need to copy paste any of the information from anywhere. Just understand the things from lectures and write it in your own particular language. That is going to help you to get more and more good marks in your exams, right? So these are the basically seven importance that I had mentioned here in this particular video. I hope you have enjoyed this video and enjoyed this lecture as well. If you want me to explain any other topic to you as well, so you can let me know that topic. You can suggest that topic me in comment box, and that's it for this class. Hope to see you all in next class very soon. Thank you.